Want to achieve a stunning, natural look with minimal effort? Learn how to master minimalist beauty in just a few simple steps. Keep watching to learn how to master minimalist beauty in just minutes. Welcome to Blooming Living. Learn how to create a minimalist beauty routine that's all about looking fresh and glowing with as little product as possible. It's perfect for anyone who wants to look polished and chic without spending hours in front of the mirror. Whether you're looking for an easy everyday look or a natural glow, these tips will help you achieve effortless beauty with just a few simple products. Step 1. Glowing skin, the base. Step 1 is all about glowing skin. Start with a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates the skin while giving it a fresh, dewy finish. The Glossier Priming Moisturizer is perfect for this, providing the ideal dewy base without being too heavy. For light coverage, the Glossier Skin Tint is a fantastic option, offering a fresh finish without looking khaki. Glossier Skin Tint, which evens out the skin tone and gives a natural finish without feeling heavy. Step 2. Brows, simple but defined. Next up, the brows. For a minimalist look, the key is to define without overdoing it. Use a product like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze to shape and hold brows in place for a fuller, natural look which fills in sparse areas without feeling too heavy. This gives the brows a natural, lifted appearance, perfect for a minimalist beauty routine. Step 3. Subtle eyes, light and natural. For the eyes, keep it simple. A neutral eyeshadow that's close to the skin tone can add depth without looking too made up. If eyeshadow isn't for you, just apply a coat of mascara for that instant lift. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara is an excellent option, giving long, voluminous lashes with no clumps. A little mascara is all that's needed to open up the eyes and make them pop. Step 4. Minimal lip, subtle but polished. For the lips, a natural, subtle colour works best for minimalist beauty. The Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. Lip liner is perfect for defining the lips without being too bold. Add a little Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb for a soft sheen and a natural pop of colour. Just a little tint and shine keep the lips looking fresh and polished without the need for a full lipstick. Step 5. Finish with a light setting spray. To lock everything in place, finish with a lightweight setting spray. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is a great choice for adding a dewy, fresh finish. With just one quick spray, the minimalist beauty look is complete, while helping makeup stay in place all day. And there you have it, minimalist beauty in just a few simple steps. This routine will leave you looking fresh and glowing without the fuss of heavy makeup. Give it a try and see how easy it is to get that polished, natural look. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed these minimalist beauty tips and subscribe for more simple beauty routines and hacks. Leave a comment below with your favorite minimalist beauty products or tips.